You know, Lexus automobiles are so elegant to drive. It'd be nice to travel in one of those to all those holiday soirees. But remember, if you do, don't drink and drive. That's something to definitely remember because you could be faced with the possibility of getting a DUI. We decided to check in with our legal expert, Mark Tate of Tate Law Group, to find out what to do if you are pulled over, if you've had too much holiday cheer. He now joins us. Okay, so this time of year, a lot of people having parties, a lot of people having events, and you know, where there are parties, where there are events, everybody's celebrating, there's alcohol.
Hopefully.
And then people get in their cars, and a lot of times there's a lot of drinking and driving. So let's talk about DUI.
Okay.
Because that's a big possibility, and that's, you take those risks, you know, when you're at those parties and you drink alcohol.
Yeah. Well, obviously, you know, it's illegal to consume alcohol and drive. If you're a minor, if you're under 21, you are DUI if you have any amount of alcohol in your system, because it's illegal for you to drink. So if you have had anything at all to drink and you get stopped and you're under 21, you will be charged with DUI.
What is the official limit?
0.08.
0.08.
Yeah, it's 0.08. And if you're an adult, if you're over 0.08 blood alcohol level, then you're considered DUI. Yeah.
What are those things that police look for when they are looking for DUI?
First of all, you know, you got to remember that police officers are paid witnesses, and they are trained to make their case for DUI and to justify their stop, because to stop you they have to have a reason, and so they make up reasons, or there are established made up reasons such as weaving within your lane, and so officers watch for people who are weaving in and out of traffic and weaving in their own lane. That gives them probable cause to suspect something is wrong, and they can stop you. And then comes your interaction with the police. And you know, there are lots of pieces of advice and tips that I would give someone who is a client that I wouldn't really want to get into, you know, until we had that kind of relationship. But you don't have to give evidence to the police to convict yourself.
And of course, we're specifically talking about like the field sobriety test.
You don't have to do them.
You don't have to. So you literally could say, I would prefer not to take the field sobriety test.
You literally should.
Okay. And is that going to come back to haunt you later, though, if you...
Well, it's, no. I mean, you don't have to give evidence against yourself.
So what if you know, typically if an officer walks up to your vehicle and to stop you, I mean, there's always that question, have you been drinking? Yeah. So is that something that you can...
Don't talk. You don't have to answer that. You know, what you can say is, you know, I'm not going to answer any questions till I have an opportunity to speak with my lawyer.
So you can ask for a lawyer. Is that something that, you know?
Yeah, I mean, they're not going to give you one. It's best if you get stopped and you got to start spouting off about you want to talk to your lawyer, you probably should have a lawyer. You know, there are a number of people throughout the city of Savannah who have my cell phone number on their speed dial. And so they are able to reach me when things are going on. And so, you know, the proper thing to do, even if you have not been drinking, you know, then they're not going to be asking you that. They're asking you if you've been drinking because they've already decided that you have been. You know, if you've decided...
Well, if you don't answer, is he going to lock you up anyway?
Oh, yeah. I mean, you're going to jail. So it's going to happen. You know, if you've been drinking and you smell like a drunk and you act like a drunk and you look like a drunk, you refuse all the tests, but you're still going to jail.
Mark, what are the benefits of using a specific DUI attorney, somebody who specializes in that?
Well, DUI law is a really, you know, it's a rarefied area, and you do need a very good lawyer to do it. You know, my firm has handled DUIs at a certain level, but for the most part, you need somebody who is really in court frequently, who knows the assistant district attorneys who are prosecuting the cases, who knows the judges and knows the police officers, and can get in and start to work the system very early.
What's the biggest advice you would give our viewers right now as they're gearing up for the holidays and going through all these events and parties and that kind of thing?
Call a cab.
Call a cab.
Yeah, call a cab, get a
Don't
limousine.
Drink and drive.
Yeah, you know, if your kids are old enough to drive but young enough not to drink, then get them to drive you. They can make wonderful chauffeurs.
Okay, thanks a lot,
Natalie.
Mark. If you'd like more information on this particular legal issue or any other legal issue, or you'd like more information on Mark Tate, our legal expert of Tate Law Group, all you have to do is go to the information you see right there on your screen. You can also send us a Facebook message. Find us on Facebook at The Southern Scene, or go to our website, WSAV.com. You can just click on the Southern Scene page.